Namaste student. Today I will discuss about formulation of insecticide. Then different formulation as dust, vegetable powder, emulsifier concentration. Then first formulation of insecticide. It is essential that the toxicant must be enabled to application in an effective manner so as to come into direct contact with the pest or leaf and uniform and persistent deposit upon the plant surface. Since very small quantity of toxicant is required to be distributed over a large area, insecticides are formulated in a form suitable for use as a spray, dust, and fumigate. Formulation is a processing of a compound by such method that will improve its properties of storage, handling, application, effectiveness, and safety. To be applicator and environment and profitability. It is the final physical condition in which insecticide is sold. Then different formulation. First is dust. Dust is a very important and common formulation of insecticide. These are ready to use insecticide in powder form. It is a dust formulation. The toxicant is dilute either by mixing with or impregnation on a suitable finely divided carrier, which may be an organic flour or fullerene minerals like lime, gypsum, talc, etc., or clay like atabulates, benotite, etc. The toxicant is a dust formulation ranges from 0.15 to 2.25%, and the practical size is dust formulation is less than 100 micron, and which the decrease in particles size the toxicity of the formulation increases. Dust are easy to apply, less labor is required, and water is not necessary. Oh, however, if wind is there, loss of chemical occurs due to dripped hands. Dusting should be done in calm weather and also in the early morning hours when the plant is wet with dew. Then example in dust, SCN 10% dust, in the endosulfan 4% dust. Then granules. This is a second most important formulation. These are also ready to use of granules form. Uh, Granules in this formulation, the particle is composed of a base such as an inert material impregnated or fused with the toxicant with released from the formulation in its intact form or as a distributor giving controlled release. The particle size range 0.25 to 2.38 mm or 250 to 1250 microns and contain 1 to 10% concentration of the toxicant. Then example of granules, carbofuron 3G, forate 10G, cartep hydrochloride 4G. This is a soil application insecticide. Then vegetable powder. It is a powder formulation which is to be diluted with the water and applied. It really stable suspension with water. The active integrated range from 15 to 95%. Then example, carbyl 50 WP, thiodicarb 75% WP. Then emulsifier concentration, there is EC. EC is a very common formulation of insecticide in different insecticide. There are formulation contains the toxicant as a solvent for the toxicant and emulsifying agent. It is a clear solution and it yield an emulsion of oil in water type. When diluted with water, the active ingredient um, toxicant range from 2.5 to 100%. When sprayed, the solvent evaporates quickly, leaving a deposit of toxicant from which water also evaporate. Then example, carbohydrate, gums, lipid, proteins, alkaline soaps, organic enzymes, endosulfan, etc. Then soluble powder, water soluble powder, SP or WSP. It is a powder formulation rapidly soluble in water. Addition of surfactant improve the wetting powder of the spray fluid. Sometimes an anti-caking agent is added, which uh, prevents formulation of loops in storage. Then example, acipet 75 SV. Then the suspension concentration, SC, active ingredient absorbed onto a filler, which is then suspended in a liquid matrix. It is not dusty and is easier to disperse in water. Example, imidacloprid 50 SC. Then flowels, water dispersible granules. Then solution is common form. Many of the synthetic organic insecticide are water insoluble, but soluble is a organic solvent in like amyl acetate, kerosene, xylene, pine oil, ethylene, dichloride, etc., which themselves possess some insecticide properties of their own. Some toxicants are dissolved in organic solvents and used directly for the control of household pests. Example, bygone. Then concentrated insecticide liquid. The technical grade of the toxicant at high concentrated level in dissolved in non-volatile solvent. Emulsifier is not added. Generally applied from high altitude in extremely fine dropped without being diluted with water at ultra volume rated. Then active indicator range from 80 to 100%. Then example, malathion, bifenthrin, etc. Then insect aerosols. The toxicant is suspended in minutes, particle 0.1 to 30 micro in air as a fog or mist. The toxicant is dissolved in an liquefied gas, and if released through a small hole cause the toxicant particles to float in air with rapid evaporation of the released gas. Then example, electrine. Then fumigants. Fumigants are commonly used in steroid against steroid pest. Fumigant, a chemical compound which is volatile at ordinary temperature and sufficiently toxic in known as fumigant. Most fumigants are liquids held in cans or tanks, and cute. Often they are mixed of two or more gases. Advantage of using fumigant is the place not easily accessible to the other chemical can be easily discharged due to penetration and dispersal effect of the gas. Aluminium phosphide. Example, aluminium phosphide. Then micro encapsulation, insecticide mixer. Insecticide mixer is also important formulation. Insecticide mixers involve combination of two or more insecticides in the right concentration into a single spray solution. Insecticide mixers are widely used to deal with the array of arthropod pests encountered in greenhouse and field production system due to the saving in labor cost. Furthermore, the use of pesticide mixer may be result in synergies or potential and the mitigation of resistance. However, antagonism reduction in efficacy may also occur due to mixing two or more pesticides together. Just the use of pesticide mixer or those that may be integrated with biological control agent is especially important because parasitic and predator and even microbials such as beneficial bacteria and fungi can be suppressed arthropod pest population irrespective of the arthropod pest resistant trial mechanism. Then example chloropyrifos 60% and alpha alpha cypermethrin 1% EC. Then another example quinalpos 20% cypermethrin 30% EC. Then cypermethrin 20% permethrin 10% EC, etc. Then bats. It bats is a mixed with edible substance. These are always stomach poison and are used to poison batting, which chiefly made up of three components. Poison insects are cabril carried with base of rice bran and attract the jaggery at ratio 1 अनुपात 10 अनुपात 1. Then poison should be strong and easily soluble base is a filler like rice bran with just enough water. Then this is a important formulation of insecticide. Thank you.